Kickstart Repairs was inspired from out of another business. We had an old iPhone 5 that was used for music in that business with a cracked screen, and a friend gave me a screen. He was doing screen repairs himself, and thought that I'd be able to do it easily enough. And so I borrowed that, took that screen and repaired that phone, and found it fairly easy to repair. And then started off talking to a few friends, started repairing a few of their friends' phones as well, and then eventually we got around to talking to the local Telstra shop here in Mount Isa, and was able to get them to start referring business to us. And originally just started working out of a garage, and building it up into shop fronts as well. We offer a full range of services, so we're not just doing screens. We do make sure that we're trained in not just basic screen repairs, but more advanced board repairs. So we're able to solve a lot more problems that other repair shops aren't able to do, which is why we do receive mail-in repairs Australia-wide, both from end consumers as well as other repair shops as well. So we offer a full range of services, right from screen repairs, batteries, charge ports, camera repairs, right through to board repairs. So that may involve micro soldering, whether it's fixing charge ports on iPads, or other more advanced board repairs, and data recovery as well. So phones that go through the washing machine or get pushed in the pool and the phone gets water damaged, we can use those advanced skill sets there to be able to recover data off phones that other repair shops may not be able to get going again. We've had quite a few milestones throughout. Obviously, initially was back in 2016 opening our first store in Mount Isa. Within then a couple of years later, outgrowing that store and moving location to a bigger and better store. And then a couple of years later, obviously expanding to a second location in Gladstone, which has grown from there. And then more recently expanding to help support other small businesses as well, with their IT support and cyber security. So we want to make sure that when a customer has their device repaired, that they know it is going to be of high quality and high standard. So we stand behind all of our repairs, and in making sure that the part isn't going to be faulty or stop working due to a manufacturing fault or anything like that. We service a lot of more regional areas in Queensland and Australia, so a lot of smaller towns may not have a phone repair shop available to them like most of the major cities. So we offer a mail-in repair service, so customers can package up their device, post it off, and we can receive it in, get it all repaired up, and then shipped back out to the customer. There are a lot of different smartphones and different repair techniques. We're always keeping across all major repair groups online, both Facebook and other forums, to see what other repair shops are doing as well. We are also qualified and certified with Apple to repair iPhones and MacBooks as well, but keeping in touch with what new repair tools that are coming out and other techniques, and often setting staff through to more advanced training programs as well. Yeah, so customer service is at the forefront of what we do here at Kickstart, interacting with customers every single day, and they're placing their trust in us in repairing a device that most people have within arm's reach no matter where they are. So making sure that we go above and beyond for all of our customers really is embodied within our core values of the business as well.